Welcome back to our channel, Optimal Digital Delights. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step on how to apply for the Pacific Engagement Ballot as well as the Pacific Engagement Visa when you get selected in the ballot. We are Optimal Digital Delights and we have helped over 12 people to apply for the Pacific Engagement Ballot, including applicants from Australia, Japan, Papua New Guinea, in Port Moresby, as well as Southside Centers from Wewak and Kionga. Now, if you have a phone or a laptop, you can go to Google. You can go to Google and type Immi account, Immi account Australia registration. Now, if you already have a Immi account, then you can always say login, and you log in on your phone with your password and your username. Your username is usually your email address. So you should go to the immigration website, not the Home Affairs website, but the immigration website. Go right to you will see as displayed on the screen. That's basically everything that would pop up on your laptop or your phone. You should click this create your Immi account if you have not created yourself a Immi account. Okay, after you create your Immi account, it will ask you for your passport details, your passport number, your date of birth, and your passport date of issuance, as well as your expiry date of the passport. There would be three different security questions. Usually maybe your favorite color, where you work, and so forth. So in case you forget your password or your username, you will be asked to answer these three secret questions, so you would be able to retrieve your account again. Okay, another thing, you should have a authenticator app downloaded on your phone, so access would be easy, and this is to rule out cases of fraud or cases of identity theft. So someone else might be logging onto your account and manipulating personal details in your Immi account. So have that ready as well. Every time you will be changing password every five seconds or so. So have that open and ready for you to go online and apply. Log into your account. Okay, so this is basically where it will get you. Now go to your Immi account right here, and this is where you enter your username and your password, and it will get you into your account. When you get into your account, I'll show you shortly. it will say it will ask you to send code to that authenticator app on your phone. So always have your phone open to pull out the verification code that will be sent to your authenticator app. Okay, it should be this. And then you log in that put in that authenticator app that is on your authenticator number, that is the latest one, so you should be quick with this. If you're not quick, then it can log you out. Okay, so we're already in my account, as you can see here. Then we just click next, and you have to go, this is the old one, so you have to go to new applications here, and from the new applications you go to new applications. You have to go all the way down to the third last, which is the Pacific Engagement Visa registration, Pacific Engagement Visa, this one. So that's when you go in and you check everything here. Make sure your full name is better, passport, your date of birth, everything. Make sure your email address, the number of dependents, your family members that should be included in this ballot round. It's very important to include all your family members, the eligible family members. And then you click review or save, and afterwards you will go to the part where you will need your visa. You will need your visa for Visa card for payment. It's only $25, which is around 80 kina PNG kina, 80 kina. And then since we have not filled all the important required fields, it's showing in red, but it should be okay. You can always click review or save, and then it will ask you the next prompt. It would be for you to pay. After you pay and entered all your card details, you should be the notification should be sent to your email, or it should be downloaded automatically from the website. So it should be done within 5 to 10 minutes if you are competent with digital literacy or you are comfortable with using online platforms. But if you are new to using these online platforms and stuff, you can always reach out to us on the comments below, or reach out to us at Optimal Digital Delights for us to help you with this online application. Our service fee is only 100 kina. With the ballot fee would be 180 kina. So find yourself 180 kina and reach out to us at Optimal Digital Delights, where we can help you sign you up for Pacific Engagement Visa and Pacific Engagement Ballot as well. Thank you for staying tuned, and comment on the link below. We create something better for you in the next video. Bye for now.